this video I will share information related to National Assembly of Pakistan. I have started a series one paper test preparation for all the tests conducted by these organizations. This video is beneficial for all the test preparation of Federal Public Service Commission, Provincial Public Service Commissions, SEBA Testing Service and National Testing Service. If you are new on the channel, please subscribe to the Educational Academy YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook and TikTok. Constitution of Pakistan adopted unanimously by the National Assembly in April 1973. The NA is the lower house of Parliament. The tenure of National Assembly is 5 years. Minimum age for the member of National Assembly is 25 years. After 130 days, National Assembly have to organize meeting. Total number of seats in National Assembly are 336. Number of general seats are 266. Number of seats reserved for women are 60. Number of seats reserved for minorities are 10. Number of seats in National Assembly for Punjab province 141. Number of seats in National Assembly for Sindh 61. Number of seats in National Assembly for Balochistan 16. Number of seats in National Assembly for Khyber Pakhtunkhwa 45. Number of seats in National Assembly for Islamabad 3. First Speaker of National Assembly of Pakistan was Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. First female Speaker of National Assembly of Pakistan was Fahmida Mirza. Current Speaker of National Assembly of Pakistan is Raja Parvez Ashraf. Current Deputy Speaker of National Assembly of Pakistan is Zahid Akram Durrani. For more videos, subscribe to the Educational Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.